Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy 2021. So I have a very exciting video to share with you guys. This is just really a celebratory video, so let's just get right into it. First thing I want to say is on December 31st, I hit 1K here on YouTube. I just want to say to you guys, thank you so much for the supports, for the likes, for subscribing. I just really wanted to say thank you. I really appreciate the support. It means everything. Thank you. Next, I have to announce my giveaway winner. So if you did not know, I announced that I would be giving away either a Louis Vuitton key pouch or an Hermes Twilly when I hit 1K. I was able to select the winner of that giveaway. First, I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in that giveaway. It was by far the most participation I've ever had in a giveaway, with over 5,000 entries, guys. 5,000 entries. That was incredible. So thank you so much for that, for your participation. Winner of the giveaway, putting the name down below, but it is Evelyn. Congratulations, Evelyn. You are awesome. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Thank you so much for your entries, your comments, everything, your likes. I appreciate you so much. And right here, I have your beautiful Louis Vuitton key pouch in the monogram canvas. I picked it up from the Louis Vuitton booth in Soho, New York. So it's all wrapped up and ready to go. It's perfect for you. It's made in France. I cannot wait for you to get it. I'm going to be sending this off to the winner right away. So everyone, definitely go ahead and send some love and congrats to Evelyn. And if you didn't win this giveaway, no worries. I have so much plans for my channel ahead. And in this video, I'm going to be acknowledging milestones. So we're starting a new year, right? I just hit 1K on YouTube. My next real goal is 10K. But my next milestone is 5K. So for my next milestone, I will be doing another giveaway. And trust me guys, it is my biggest giveaway yet. So if you want to know what that is, you got to stay tuned to the end of this video. I wanted to do something to commemorate hitting 1K on YouTube. And I had this item picked out for a while, and I've been waiting to unbox it and share it with you guys. Excited to open this up and wear it. It's an item by Cartier. I have totally fallen in love with Cartier ever since I got my ring. If you guys haven't seen that unboxing and review, I will definitely link them. I've just been loving everything Cartier. I've been so into Cartier. So I did a little bit of a Cartier haul. I picked up some items from the Cartier website, which was my first time shopping the website. I'm really not going to do much of a review in this video. If you're interested in anything as far as my Cartier shopping experience or review of the items I am going to discuss, please let me know. And of course, I'll share that with you. But I just wanted to kind of celebrate today, unbox the item with you, share that with you, and then also announce my next major giveaway. I shopped online and I got this envelope, Cartier certificate. It's sealed. And here it is, the Cartier booklet, certificate of my item. Just outlines my item, date of purchase, and the serial number. So this is the little certificate. It's a beautiful Cartier card, and it says, wear this every day and remember each passing day brings you closer to your dreams. Always believe in love and magic. 2021. So, and I believe this is like the receipt and return documents for itself. Okay guys, I have 2 items to share. Okay guys, so here is the first item. Take this off. The packaging is so lovely. It's the Cartier Carrot perfume. Beautiful, guys. Can you guys see that? So this is the Cartier Carrot ball. Oh my gosh, I did not wear a fragrance today on purpose. Oh, so good and light. Oh gosh. Okay, so I really like that. Honestly wanted to try it, but I didn't want to, what is it called, like blind purchase a big bottle of it. That is really beautiful. The hint of the item I got. Cartier Carat. Hint, hint. So here's my item. Look at the packaging. You can see, look at the Cartier wax seal. Isn't that so beautiful? I just love Cartier's unboxings and packaging. So let's go ahead and get that open. Here is the Cartier box. Here is the Cartier box, and then you take that out, and this is the actual Cartier jewelry box where the item is in. Last guesses. So let me just open it up for you guys. Oh my goodness, guys, there it is. So this is a Cartier bracelet. It is just super stunning in here. Let's put it on. So this is the Cartier. I'm going to put the name down below. Is the bracelet. It is so beautiful, guys, and stunning. I'm going to put it on. Comes like this with this Cartier tag. Here is the bracelet on my wrist. It's just a tiny diamond bracelet. So stunning and delicate and dainty, and it has a little Cartier charm there. I hope you guys can see. My new Cartier bracelet that I picked up to commemorate hitting 1K on YouTube. I just want to say thank you again. So this video was all about celebrating a milestone. It's my first video of 2021. It's my video where I'm celebrating 1K, huge unboxing to commemorate hitting 1K, and I thought it would be really cool to move forward and acknowledge the next milestone. It's to get to 10K, and I'm super excited about that and just the journey and to continue to grow. My next milestone would be 5K. Why not solidify it by doing a giveaway for when I hit 5K? Why not, right? I think the other giveaway went so well, and it was just such a fun kind of ongoing thing on my channel. So I'm doing a giveaway for 5K. So when I hit 5K, I'm going to be doing a Cartier giveaway. So amazing. I'm super excited about it. I was browsing on Cartier, and I was looking at the Love collection. I think everyone loves the Love collection, right? Like everyone wants to get a little piece of the Cartier Love collection. So there is this really stunning Cartier gold stud earring from the Love collection, and I'll put up a little photo of it here so you guys can see it. And I think that was really just so perfect for one of my subscribers. I'm going to have all the information about that giveaway. It's going to be ongoing. I do imagine it'll take a little time, but it doesn't have to take very long. Honestly, you know, anything can happen, right? So we're just going to watch my channel grow. I'm so excited that you guys are here on this journey with me, and now we have the year ahead, and let's just put good things out there, good positive things. I'm super excited, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.